Add your curry. Add your vegetables as well.
Sir, pwede ka celebrity chef.
Actually, I have a friend who's been asking me.
Why not?
Kaya lang, wala akong picture doon, no?
Meron na, no? Chef Rob.
Oh, I used to work with him.
Chef Lipton.
Barkada ko siya. From school.
Chef
From CCA.
Ayun sa mga katolik. Chef.
Oh, kaibigan ko sila lahat. Si Nino, si Rosebud, si...
Si Rosebud. Sa quick fire.
Social. Kaya yung ano, yung chef tulog.
Actually, yung dapat... Hindi, pero na. Usapan yan.
Yung color.
Oo, wala ako sa bahay. Wala ako sa bahay.
Okay. Basically, ang ginagawa ko lang naman is I'm letting all the ingredients cook with the gata first. Para basically, makukuha na ng gata yung flavor. You'll have an idea of what flavor you're infusing to the chicken later. Okay? Tapos, as you go along cooking it later, ang mangyayari na, mas mag-blend pa na mag-blend yung flavor niya. Ngayon, medyo hiwalay-hiwalay pa yung amoy niya. Mamaya, isa na lang yung lasa niya.
Oo, pwede rin po. Pwede rin po sabihin nyo.
Siyempre, when do you add your tomatoes and your carrots? Ay, potatoes and your carrots. You add it last. Actually, not naman last. You add it about 5 minutes of the way. Why? Para at least kahit pa paano, medyo sumuot naman yung lasa niya doon. Actually, curries, these are something you want to preserve for about 3 days before cooking. Curry, especially for the meats. Why? Kasi what happens is, if you let it stay for about 3 days, you give the spices enough time to penetrate the meat. Para maging isa lang yung lasa niya. Okay, try to smell this now. Because that's gonna change later. Mag-iiba pa yung amoy niyan later. Lasang yung curry na ginawa niya. Mamaya mag-iiba pa yung amoy niya.
Lasing ka na yan.
Okay. At this point, you can add a little tomato paste.
Tomato paste.
Ako talaga, when I cook, I like to use proportion more than grammages. Alamin nyo lang kung how much of it yung ilalagay nyo as opposed to other ingredients. Pagka alam nyo na yon, madali na eh. Yes, even in baking naman, sa totoo lang, ganun lang naman eh. Ganun lang naman ang baking. Hindi naman talaga yun yung exact science. Kaya lang, if you want to produce a specific type, you have to follow everything. Pero kasi, ang baking kasi, the way you understand it is you have to understand what the ingredient does. For example, if you're making bread, you have yeast. The more sugar you put, so mas magiging mahangin yun. The more you put salt, mas papatayin mo yung yeast. Ibig sabihin nun, mas buo, mas matigas, mas siksik siya. The more butter you put, again, the more oil it produces. I mean, the more puff it produces. The more butter you put. Okay? Tapos, the more flour you put, the more you work with the gluten, with the flour, ibig sabihin, the more you need it, mas nagiging gummy. So, ganun lang yun. If you understand the use of the ingredient, the science of it, you don't need recipes. All you need is a basic understanding of how the food works, and then you build your food from there.
Paano mo i-add para maging moist yung
Sugar.
the darker the sugar?
Iniwa?
The chewy.
Ito ba naman? Manyaman ito? Manyaman yun ni? Bonggay ni?
Asa yung tomato paste? Nakidagdagan akong konti.
Ito, makakalali ng kuman. Labula-bu palagi.
Ay, share kayo muna, ma.
Ate na yun eh.
Ha?
Sabi ako, may kanin ba tayo?
Ay,
Oy!
Yung rice.
The rest of the ingredients, after we do this demo, the rest of the ingredients, you marinate it and then you put it in the chiller. Tapos, let's work on the second subject already.
Okay.
yes.
Okay? You do the mise en place. Ganito na lang gawin natin para mas madali. Ide-demo ko na lang sa lahat. Ilang recipes yun? 4 ba yun?
4. Ay, 6. Ay, 5.
Hindi ako.
Hindi, yung yung mga starches.
Oh, so per group,
7.
everyone, listen. Don't do it na lang as per group. You do it na lang, as a class. So, a group will work on 2 recipes. You prepare the mise en place for that. The other group will prepare for a different recipe. You prepare the mise en place for that. Okay.
1 and 2, pila, final na, payad yung pokal.
Talaga may
Hindi, kaya lang sir, mag-make doble na rin kayo, makanagawa ka. Kaya beta na yung
Ay, naman. Tomato paste. Yan lang yung tomato paste natin. Meron pa. Paste lang.
Preferably, kaffir lime leaf, everyone here. Preferably, kaffir lime leaf, you don't wanna chop this up. Why you don't wanna chop this up is because matigas tong leaf na to. Ibig sabihin, kahit ilagay nyo dyan at lutuin nyo magdamag yan, pag kinain ng kliyente nyo to, bad trip. Kaya para tong bay leaf, you leave it whole so you can take it out whole.
Okay.
Okay? In that case, give me a whole one.
Whole yung
See, nag-iiba na yung amoy niya, di ba? Di ba? Ngayon, mas nagiging isa na lang yung amoy niya. Kanina, hiwalay-hiwalay pa yung amoy ng ingredients, di ba? Ngayon, it's starting to become one. You just let it cook first. There's no more. Oh, that's cool. If there's no more. Ayun.
Pala yung galing ni Lou.
Ayoko luto rin kaya kayo manok. Happy niya yung lunch time mo.
Silang. Basta.
Ate, dalam din mo.
It's okay, I have it here already.
Later. We're not yet done.
Iwanan mo kita. Adobo tayo.
This one, I usually add this early. The reason for that is, like bay leaf, hindi naman siya nadudurog and medyo matigas siya eh. So you want to, it kind of takes time for you to extract the flavor from there, kaffir lime, so you can add this leaf.
Niya, ganda kayong ingredients ka kayo manok.
Fresh.
Ingredients tayo.
Ano? Wala ka kami ira. Bayan na.